Good morning, students. Here we are once again in the lesson Sayonara. So we had seen that different types of farewell has been given to the people, but everywhere it is used Sayonara. So let's see this paragraph. It hides its emotion. It says too little, while goodbye, God be with you, and adios say too much. They try to bridge the distance, almost to deny it. Goodbye is a prayer, a ringing cry. You must not go. I can't bear to have you gone. But you shall not go alone, unwatched. God will be with you. God's hand will be over you and even underneath, hidden, but it is there, incorrigible. I will be with you. I will watch you always. It is mother's goodbye. So we see here Anne has very well explained that goodbye is an emotion. It can be too much, it can be also too little. Now here the goodbye has got different meanings. In this paragraph what we have seen is mother's goodbye. So easily we can understand what is mother's goodbye. Mothers love us too much. That is why it is said when mother says goodbye, she says first, God be with you. And then again she says, it is the prayer of her heart, crying, be God be with him or with her. And likewise, but then this goodbye we cannot deny it because everyone has different place to move, to go according to their work and for the different things too. So goodbye is a prayer from mother's side, and she also says that as God is watching over you, I too will watch over you, and I will be with you behind, before, beneath, everywhere. So this is what she says. Mother's goodbye is, therefore, it is a beautiful one. You see the last sentence. I will be with you. I will watch you always. It is mother's goodbye. So mother says, I will be always with you and I will watch you over. And here we have one word, incorrigible. Incorrigible means person's behavior. Whatever it may be, mother wishes that the child should be safe and sound. The next paragraph we shall read. But Sayonara says, neither too much nor too little. It is a simple acceptance of fact. All understanding of life lies in its limits. All emotion, smoldering, is backed up behind it. But it says nothing. It is really the unspoken goodbye, a pressure of a hand, sayonara. Again, it is goodbye is neither too much or too little, but simple acceptance of fact. Fact means reality. We have to accept the reality. When somebody goes for his job to the distance or in other place, faraway place, we cannot stop. Therefore, it is we have to accept it, this goodbye. And while the person going to his or her place for the job, we cannot stop. Therefore, if we are very close to the person, we will feel it more. If we are not very close to the person, we will not feel it that much. So that is why, whatever it may be, it is the understanding of life's limit, means how much we are close to the person. All emotions, all emotions that burns. Here we have the smoldering. Smoldering means to burn slowly without flame. So as we say goodbye, we feel it inside. That is why this word is used. Smoldering. So burn slowly without fire. So it burns within us, our emotion that is hidden, we cannot see. It is why sometimes while saying goodbye, people cry because they are not able to control their emotion. But it is, most of them do not cry, so it is not seen, but they feel it within. But it says nothing, but it does not say anything. It is unspeakable goodbye, which we cannot speak out. What we are feeling within, we cannot speak it out. The the pressure of a hand. It is only the pressure we experience in the hand, and then whatever it may be, we say it sayonara. So sayonara is a kind of emotion as a whole. What we say is it is a kind of emotion. Sometimes we express it much, sometimes it will be very little, but it is the fact of life. We have to accept it. So this is what this lesson teaches us. Goodbye. Sayonara means goodbye.